Hello traders, in this session we will discuss about a few stocks in which we can do some good accumulation for investment purpose. The time frame would be like minimum 3 months to 1 year. So if you have that much of time, definitely you can track these stocks. These are looking very good. Okay, even the market is because of the market situation, these stocks are available at good levels. So if you wish, you can definitely accumulate and hold them for good targets. So first one is Sun TV. Sun TV is looking very good. It is consolidating. See here, it is consolidating in a very tight range. Okay, so now because of the market situation, it has come down. Okay, it was about to break out, but the breakout did not sustain. It has come down, and now the accumulation range is from the current level to 510. Keep on accumulating this stock between the current market price, which is 528, and 510. The stop loss would be 490 rupees. The target is huge. So for the target we can go to monthly. So the first target comes to be 990, before that 843, and ultimately it will reach 1084. Okay, so if you see, it is at a crucial level. If the breakout level for this stock is 568 above, if it closes one time, the a daily closing above 568 will give good momentum in this stock. Okay, so this is Sun TV. Then we have Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, again it is consolidating. See here, very tight range, continuously consolidating, and due to the market situation, this stock is also not moving up. It is a pharmaceutical stock, so definitely all the pharma stocks are very bullish. So this one also you can keep it accumulating till 660 level, and it is weak below 660. Otherwise it is strong. There is nothing to be worried of. The ideal stop loss for this stock is 640. 640 is the ideal stop loss, and you can accumulate from current level to 660 level, anywhere in between. The breakout level is above 720. Above 720 closing, the stock is definitely going to give you a good breakout. And the target here, let's see, the minimum target expected is 1000. Okay, so that is minimum target expected is this much, which is 1000 rupee. And again, time frame is 3 to 6 months. So if you have sufficient time, definitely you can track this and accumulate this one. Now this is one more stock. Okay, so this is MMTC. So today MMTC closed around 54 rupees. Okay, it is currently trading at a support level, that is from this 51 to 50. I can say 51 to 54. It is trading in the support level 51 to 54. Definitely you can track this stock. It is only for investment purpose for a period of 3 to 12 months. And again, you can continuously accumulate this stock till 46 level. Here we have a good zone to buy. Now also it is available at a good range to buy. So we can keep on accumulating in every dip till 46. The stop loss is below 40 rupees. The stop loss comes to be below 40 rupees. Okay, so ideal stop loss is 40, and the breakout level is that I'll show it in the monthly chart. So ideal breakout level is 70 rupees. 70 above closing will give the stock very good momentum. And if you see the stock, its lifetime high is, you will be surprised that it is 1200 stock. Definitely in the short term, maybe 6 months to 1 year, or maybe 3 months, 3 to 6 months, I'm expecting a 130 rupees target. This is the target. By chance, if it closes above this level, no, I don't know whether it will close or no, but initial target is 130 rupees. By chance, if the stock gives good momentum and it closes above 180, then again from here the stock can go to double very easily. Okay, so these are the levels, and this is a stock having very good potential. So definitely in 3 to 12 months the target of the stock is double, more than double, that is 130 rupees is the target. But for that, watch out for the level of 70 rupees. Okay, yes, so these are the stocks which I wanted to discuss, and I hope if you like the content, like if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everybody, and take care.